What's up, guys? I am back with another offer, and I think I'll buy it. I mean, I don't know if I should or not, because it costs 10,000 gold and I have 7,000 with 600 gems left. Between epic chest and magical chest, I don't know what I should get, but like I could just buy what, 3 of these for, no, it's not going to be 600 gems, it's going to be like 180 gems. Yeah. Let's do that. So let's open up this epic chest, guys. And in this epic chest, we have an X-Bow, P.E.K.K.A.s, and Lightning. And because I feel like it, I'm going to go down here. Open this giant chest. And there we go. No epic, no legendary than anything I have ever opened yet. It doesn't want me to have it, but I feel like that's what I'm going to do. I feel like I'll just use this. I feel like I'll just use this card. And well, that's it for now. I will see you guys later.